1. Ancient Egyptians loved their beer, and we're not just talking about a cold one after work. Beer was a staple in their diet, and even children drank it. In fact, workers building the Great Pyramids were often paid in beer, with some tomb paintings showing brewers delivering jugs to the construction site. The Egyptians believed beer had medicinal properties and was a gift from the gods. 2. Mummification was a big business in ancient Egypt, with prices ranging from super cheap to totally outrageous, depending on how fancy you wanted your wrapping to be. The most expensive method involved removing the organs, including the brain, and treating the body with natron to dry it out, while the cheaper option just involved covering the body in linen and hoping for the best. Either way, the goal was to preserve the body for the afterlife. 3. Ancient Egyptians were total cat lovers, and we're not just talking about your average house cat. They worshipped a cat goddess named Batet, who was often depicted as a woman with the head of a cat. Killing a cat was punishable by death, and when a cat died, its owner would often shave their eyebrows as a sign of mourning. Cats were so revered that they were even mummified and buried with their owners. 4. The Great Pyramids are aligning with the stars, and it's not just a coincidence. The ancient Egyptians built the pyramids to mirror the constellation of Orion, with the pyramid's base representing the stars and the peak representing the celestial heavens. The pyramid's internal chambers also align with the rising and setting of the stars, showing just how deep the Egyptians' knowledge of astronomy was. This alignment was crucial for the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. 5. Ancient Egyptians had some crazy medical practices, including using crocodile dung as a form of birth control. Yes, you read that right, crocodile dung. They also believed that the heart was the seat of the soul, and that other organs like the brain were pretty much useless, which is why they often removed them during mummification. Despite these bizarre practices, the Egyptians made some significant contributions to the field of medicine, including diagnosing and treating diseases like appendicitis and tuberculosis.